Hi all. Well, there's exciting news. There's a new update, software update for the Equinox range of detectors, and it's supposed to improve the discrimination for ferrous targets, helping you to eliminate all of those rusty bottle caps and nails, etc. that you keep picking up. So I'm keen to use it and to try it out, and I thought I'll just go over to the website and download the software. Pretty simple to do. Just go onto the website, you'll find the software there for Macs and for Windows. Download it and install it with the instructions supplied into your detector. Then I went out and set up a little bit of a target area on a brick base, and under the brick base there's some concrete reinforcing. The steel in that reinforcing made it impossible to detect before. So and it's an ideal place to check out the new firmware upgrades. So I put out a couple of targets with little nuggets ranging from 0.01 of a gram all the way up to a 5-ounce piece of gold. There was a tiny little 0.01, a 0.1, a 1 grammer, a 2.1 grammer, a 3 gram little nugget, a 5 gram nugget, and then a big piece of 5 ounces gold. Okay, so we are running in standard gold 2 mode, standard factory settings, nothing different. It's gold 2. Okay, and I've got everything on the default. So let me start off first of all with the big 5-ounce piece. And you can see that's coming up as a nice solid 33, 34, 35. And I can go with the with my little 6-inch coil, probably close on about a foot off the ground before I lose that. Then 5 grammer showing up, different numbers, coming up with a pretty steady 17 to 19. 3 grammer, similar, very similar, maybe a little bit less. 2.1 gram, also showing up 15, 16, 14, 15, 16. The 1 grammer is showing up as a between, jumping around a little bit between 11 and 12 and down to 8. The 0.1 gram, that's a totally different ballpark, showing up really low, 2 to 3, 4 maybe. As I go closer, it's jumping a little bit between 8, and then the sub-grammer, which is 0.01 gram. So to sum up, it seems that the reinforcing steel rods underneath the bricks are not being picked up. The new firmware or software is working well. The other interesting thing that I noticed here was that all the different sizes of gold are coming up with different numbers. So don't use the numbers as an indicator of what to dig and what not to dig. My advice is dig all targets. Whether they're 37, you might miss out on a 5-ounce nugget, all the way down to 8 or even 2, where you might find a very small little nugget. But dig all your targets and trust your detector. Okay guys, I've got the F2 bias now set to 6, and I'm just going to show you on a number of targets. So we'll start off first of all with a $2 target. Number coming up is 21. A $1 target. Number coming up is 22. An old penny. Number coming up is 20. A 20-cent piece. Number coming up is 16. And they're all registering, as you see, on gold 2 with F2 setting of 6. Now I'm going to go over a metal washer. Absolutely quiet. Another metal washer. Absolutely quiet. A square nail, typical of one you would find in the bush. Occasional little beep, but it cuts off straight away, and that indicates that there's a piece of iron there. And then of course a hot rock. You can see a hot rock is also occasionally coming up with a little bit of noise, but most of the time quiet. Nothing like this. Now I thought I'd go over a few other little targets. So this one is a cartridge, a brass cartridge. Number coming up is 12. This is a bullet, 1.8 gram bullet. Number coming up is 8 and 10. This is a 5 gram gold nugget. Number coming up is 16. And this is a lead sinker of 1.4 gram lead sinker. Number coming up is 16. So you can see the metal is pretty quiet, but all the non-ferrous targets are screaming at you. I'm very impressed by the F2 setting. It seems to work very well. Okay, I just thought I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to set the new F2 bias setting active in your detector. First of all, make sure that you're on a detecting setting that's not the gold setting. So just go to landscape or something like that, and then select the iron bias setting. So that's the iron bias setting over there, and once you've got that, hold the key down until you see a line come underneath it. That should activate F2. You can change F2 or FE, whichever one you want active, by pressing this one. You can change the number by going up or down, and you can do the same with the F2 setting. So once I'm on the F2 setting, just leaving it like that, the setting is done, and you can go back to normal detecting. Then select your gold mode, and away you go. So we'll see here. The metal's not showing up. The iron is not showing up. There's the sinker. There's your gold. There's your bullet. And there's your cartridge case. Hot rock. Very iffy. Bullet. Almost nothing. Washer. Another washer. 20-cent piece. Penny. $1 and $2 piece. Okay, so in my opinion, if you have installed update 2, you're likely to pick up a lot less junk, and also help you to find gold if you walk over it. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button. Thank you for watching.